What's going on, saxophone friends? This is Tyler Anderson with GetASax.com. We got another video coming at you right now about our new 3D printed mouthpiece, the GS SLANT. So the GS SLANT mouthpiece is a very precise copy of our favorite Otto slant mouthpiece that we had in the shop. We all know as saxophone players that there are certain mouthpieces that just aren't gonna cut it at certain gigs. Not because they don't sound good, but you need something that's really gonna cut, and you also need something that you can hear. The GS SLANT is a brighter mouthpiece, which will definitely help in this kind of setting, but I think the real ticket is the fact that it has really great response. A mouthpiece with good response is going to create a lot of resonance, which makes it easier to hear yourself, which honestly is the most important. All right, enough of me talking about it. Let's check out how it sounds. There you go, everybody. That's our new GS SLANT mouthpiece in more of a pop setting. As I said earlier, please let us know in the comments what you think. If you pick up one of these mouthpieces for yourself, post on our YouTube page, send us an email. We want to know what you think and we want your feedback. Be sure to hop on GetASax.com to learn more about our GS mouthpieces. Also, if you're looking to buy or sell gear, please get in touch with us.